have a cleaning motivation video for you. I was away last week and then I was also away over the weekend, and by the time Monday hit, I was so ready for a deep clean. So that is what I've done. I've really got in and cleaned out some things in my apartment, and I really hope you enjoy. I've decided to start with my kitchen today. My friend borrowed my cheese boards over the weekend, so I need to put those away. I unboxed some packages and I haven't put that away yet. And then I also just did a little bit of potting, so I have soil on my bench as well. So I'm gonna clean all this up and start here today. I don't normally get a lot of PR, which I don't mind because they usually have lots of excessive packaging, which I'm not really a fan of, but I did get a couple of things recently. So I have some shampoo and conditioner from, I don't know if it's Natio or Natio, and they have a hair oil treatment. I used this one the other night and I quite liked that. And then the really exciting thing is Raw Beauty had sent me some of their products, which these are body oils and body mist, but I had no idea what was in this box, and when I opened it, it's actually an aroma diffuser, and I have been wanting one of these for so long. I got so excited when I opened the box because it was so not what I was expecting, and so I'm going to attempt to make this work right now. They also sent a little oil that I can put in there. This is called Pure Essential Oil Blend called Relax Me. I'm not really sure what the scent is. It's got like cedarwood, frankincense, pine, sweet orange, but I would love to get some lavender because I feel like lavender would be really good. I think I have a bottle somewhere. If I can find it, I'll use that instead. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It's misting and it smells really nice. There's a light on it that I'm pretty sure you can turn off if you don't want the light going. Oh wait, it changes the color. Okay, if I hold it in, it turns it off. The only problem is that my apartment has really terrible PowerPoint placement, so I've used an extension cord and I'm just gonna leave it on my bench.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
My new bedside table's just arrived and I'm so excited. I got some that have drawers so that I'll have more room for my clothes because it's really been frustrating me the last couple of months, so I'm really excited. I don't know if I'll have time to put these together today, but I am so ready to have more bedroom organization. I've done a really big clean out today. I've had a lot of things just stored in some of these boxes, but I've decided to basically consolidate everything that was in them and be able to get rid of them, so that feels really good. And now I just need to vacuum the kitchen because most of those boxes were living in that corner and it was just driving me insane. So now it's all clear and we're ready to go. My desk needs a lot of work. I've spent a lot of the last week here, so that's why it looks like a disaster, extra books, pens, and whatever, and this is the last thing that I want to clean right now, but I really need to.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all, a bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no.
just need to do some clothes washing and then tidy up the bathroom. Ever since I decluttered though, this has been really clean, but this is just all the stuff that I used to get ready over the weekend. So I'm gonna get rid of all of that and get some clothes done.
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on,
I did end up building one of the bedside tables. And I think it looks really, really cute. I just need to put away my shoes and my suitcase and vacuum the floor. Don't own dark floors. Not that I have a say in this, but it completely shows all of the floor.
So much more.
And I'm down to the last part of the cleaning. My favorite part of cleaning is vacuuming and mopping because it just makes the whole room feel really clean when the floors are clean. So very satisfying day. The place feels great. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video and found it motivating. And up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.